bold, speak proud. English is a doorway to worlds both far and near, a language that invites us to share what we hold dear. Be bold, be bold with every line. Let your brightest thoughts shine. Speak proud with every sentence. Let encourage fill your voice. Let courage fill your voice. In every word you utter, in every word you utter, you show a fearless choice. Stand tall. Let stories flow. Let your confidence grow. Enjoy the language aloud. Let its melody be heard. From even simple daily chatter to every spoken word. With English